Exactly. She, he, and it. All right. This past participle, the past participle can be with irregular verbs too. If we have study, studied, saved, saved, live, lived, irregular verbs. For example, John has done his homework. What is done? Do, yes. It is the past participle of do. Do, did, done. Yes. Can you give me another example? With, for example, Mary. Mary has gone
to the supermarket.
To the supermarket. Yeah. To the supermarket. Gone is the past participle of
Go.
go. Go.
Went.
Gone. Yeah. Now, we go to the negative form. What is the negative form of I have studied English for 2 months?
I haven't.
I haven't. Or I have not. Here, she has saved her money.
Hasn't.
She hasn't saved her money. And here,
They haven't.
they haven't lived in LA since 1990. Here,
Hasn't.
John hasn't done his homework.
Hasn't.
Mary hasn't gone to the supermarket. That's about the negative. What about the question form for this sentence? Question. Have
When?
they
Ever?
lived in LA since 1990? That's the question form. This is yes, no questions. Have they lived in LA since 1990? Yes, they have. What is the question form here?
Who has?
Has
Has
John
Done.
done his homework? Yes.
No.
Yes, it can be no or yes. What about here? Mary has gone to the supermarket.
Has Mary
Has Mary
gone to the supermarket? ايش بك؟
gone to the supermarket? That's the yes, no questions. Yeah, yes, no questions. Now, if you remember, we also talked about WH word questions. What is the question for this part? To the supermarket.
Where?
Where
Where Mary?
has
Where has gone?
Mary
Gone.
gone? The answer is to the supermarket. Okay? That is also a WH word question about present perfect tense. What about question here? What is the question for her money?
What has she? What has
Yes, very good.
she saved?
What
Has
has she
saved?
saved? She has saved her money. Good. What about here?
When? How?
When?
No, no, when. How long? How long?
How long? Very good. How long have I or have you studied English? When we are talking about period of time, you say, for example, 2 years, 2 months, 2 days, 2 hours, we use how long? How long? All right? Any questions?
Thanks.
No? Okay. Thank you. Now, look at these papers and do them. The first part is about present simple, past simple, and then we have present perfect tense. Let's do the exercises together. Thank you. That's enough.